Hello, I am Vanna Musre from my channel English Classroom Tutor. In my last video, I taught you about the present continuous tense. Today I am going to teach you present perfect tense. Okay? Now, what do you understand by present perfect? As the word itself says perfect. Perfect means work is done perfectly. Right? Completion of work indicates here. So the present perfect tense, we talk about the work which has recently done, जो हमने अभी अभी complete किया है. Actually present perfect tense we are using to describe the link between the past and the present tense, and it also used to describe the work started in the past and continues to the present. मतलब work past में start हुआ है लेकिन present में आके finish हुआ है. अभी अभी we have completed, just we have completed, and it shows the link between the past tense and the present tense, and it is used to indicate the change, right? A period of time, particular period of time, ये एक change को भी show करता है. For example, that restaurant has become popular nowadays, and it is also used to accomplishment of work, मतलब completion के लिए भी use होता है. For example, I can give you, a doctor has discovered the vaccine of COVID-19. So these are the example, and some adverbial we can use in this, and we can identify this tense through these adverbials, like I have written here, yet, just, and already. And in Hindi its identification is चुका है, चुके हैं, लिया है, दी है, ली है, आ गया है, खा लिया है, पी लिया है, चुका है, चुके हैं, चुकी है. So this is the Hindi identification. So as you know, I have written sentence pattern or structures over here like that. जैसा हमने पहले किया था कि types of sentences. तो first is affirmative means सकारात्मक और positive sentence. So what is the structure of the affirmative sentence in this present perfect tense? Subject, has, have. Now see, we have two helping verbs in this tense, has or have. So where we use and where we use have, so has is used with third person means singular person, and have is used with first or second person means plural person. Alright, and we always use third form of verb means past participle in this tense, perfect tense. In perfect tense we always use third form of verb, right? For example, go, went, gone. So gone is third form. So you should know about the forms of verb also, right? Irregular verbs or regular verbs. You should know about this. And then object or maybe complement. And second is negative. Subject, has a, not, third form of verb, and object. Always remember in this tense we use third form of verb in all type of sentences. It may be negative, it may be interrogative, it may be interrogative plus negative. We always use third form of verb. Now see the interrogative. Has a, subject, verb third form, then object. Then WH word, has a, subject, verb third form, object, and put question mark. Always remember, put question mark at the end of the question. Intro negative में देखिए, as you know very well, what is intro negative? Question तो put up किया ही जाता है, as well as work is not going there. We are using not here. So has a, subject, not, verb third form, object. Next is WH word has a subject, not, verb, third form, and then object and put question mark. So these are the structure of the present perfect tense. Now see, I told you the one method of this. So how it happened? Hasn't, haven't. Subject, verb, third form, and object. So if we use this formula, so we don't use not here. WH word hasn't, haven't, subject, verb, third form, object. Alright. Now you can see I have written here some examples over here. Alright. So examples and all these sentences regarding to these structures. So we have to translate all these sentences according to these formulas or structure. Number one example. मैं अभी अभी यहाँ आया हूँ. अभी अभी यहाँ आया हूँ. So this is a affirmative sentence. So we have to follow this. What comes first? Subject. So what is subject here? मैं. I. So I have written I. Now turn of the helping verb. So what will you use? Has or have? I is here first person. So we use have. I have. And now see, abhi, abhi, adverbial. So what will you use? Just. So I have just. Now what comes next? Verb, third form. So आना, come. So come, came, come. Third form, come ही होती है. So I have just come यहाँ, here. So I have just come here. Now second is मैंने आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है. Means मैं आपसे बहुत कुछ सीख चुका हूँ. Is the same thing. तो मैंने, तो again subject is I. Right? This is also from affirmative. So I have. अब verb क्या है? What is verb? सीखना, learn होती है. तो इसका हमारा थर्ड फॉर्म होगा learned. तो I have learned अब बहुत कुछ, a lot. A lot. I have learned a lot. अब किससे? आपसे. Say, from you. I have learned a lot from you. मैंने आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है, या फिर मैं आपसे बहुत कुछ सीख चुका हूँ. नेक्स्ट इज विजय ने मिनरल वाटर नहीं पिया है. राइट? तो नहीं पिया है मीन्स विजय मिनरल वाटर नहीं पी चुका है, और विजय ने मिनरल वाटर नहीं पिया है. तो नहीं मीन्स इट्स अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. So we have to follow this. Subject has a not, third form of verb, object. So सबसे पहले subject Vijay, and Vijay is a singular subject. So what will you use? Has or have? Has. Vijay has. Now what comes next? Not. And again what comes? Verb, third form of verb. So what is verb in this sentence? Piya, pina, drink. So drink, drank, drunk. So we are using third form here, right? So Vijay has not drunk. Now what is the object? Mineral water. So Vijay has not drunk mineral. I am writing here because space is not here. Full stop. So Vijay has not drunk mineral water. Now come to the next. क्या तुमने मेरी पुस्तक ले ली है, और क्या तुम मेरी पुस्तक ले चुके हो? तो you can see क्या. So what type of sentences? This is interrogative sentence, and which one? This one, which starts from helping verb. So we follow this structure for this. क्या तुमने मेरी पुस्तक ले ली है? तो what comes next? Helping verb, and then subject. तो helping verb we use according to the subject. तो what is subject? तुमने, means you. So what will you use? Has or have? Have we use here. So have, then subject you, and after that third form of verb. तो ले ली, लेने का इंग्लिश वर्ब टेक, टेक, took, taken. तो have you taken, third form we are using here. Have you taken. Now what is object? My book. So have you taken my book? Put question mark. Have you taken my book? Next is हमें ये प्रोजेक्ट कैसे मिला है. Now you can see in Hindi WH word is in the mid of the sentence. So we have to translate. Begin with this. कैसे. This is also a question word. How. So first of all we have to write here how. So we have to follow this. So WH word we have written here because in Hindi when question word comes in the mid of the sentence, so when we translate this type of sentence, so we start from that question word English, right? Means अब कैसे है तो I have written here how. Now what comes? WH word I have written, and what next? Has or have. So has or have, first of all see the subject हमें means we. So have, obviously have. So how have we. Now verb. So what is verb here? मिलना, प्राप्त होना या मिलना. तो get, तो got. So how have we got this, and what project? Question mark. So how have we got this project? Now come to this. क्या रीता अपना कमरा साफ नहीं कर चुकी है? या फिर we can say क्या रीता ने अपना कमरा साफ नहीं किया है? क्या तुम्हारे भाई ने खाना नहीं खाया है? क्या तुम्हारा भाई खाना खा चुका है? क्या वह पेड़ पर चढ़ चुका है? क्या वह पेड़ पर नहीं चढ़ चुका है? तो we can change this. चुका है और गया है, गए हैं, तो it means यही होता है. तो क्या रीता अपना कमरा साफ नहीं कर चुकी है? तो what type of interrogative, because work is not also going there, नहीं. So we have to follow this. So Rita is subject here, it's a singular, so we use has. Has Rita now not. Verb साफ करना, third form cleaned. तो have Rita not cleaned. अब अपना कमरा, तो whose room is this? Rita's room means her room. Possessive pronoun we are using here. Has Rita not cleaned her room? Question mark. Right? Now, next is माली ने पौधों में पानी कब नहीं दिया है? So you can see here WH word is here. We have to start with this and we follow this. So first of all कब मतलब when. Helping verb माली, it's a singular. So when has माली gardener. So when has gardener, so WH word has subject gardener but not here. And then third form of verb. What is verb in this sentence? पानी देना, not देना given. पानी देना, all these two words पानी देना comes together. Okay, in Hindi. So we have to use only one word for this, पानी देना. So when has gardener not watered the plants? Why has gardener not watered the plants? And in the other methods we can write When hasn't gardener. We leave not because not is merged with the helping verb. Gardener watered the plants. Alright. So these are the examples. I hope you all understood the perfect tense, the present perfect tense, right? Let's get a small explanation again. That present perfect tense is used to describe the action started in past and continues in the present, and it is also used to show the link between the present tense and the past tense. And present perfect tense used to that work which has recently we have completed. हमने अभी भी उसको complete किया. We have just completed, right? So this is the present perfect tense. And always remember about the adverbials, right? And always we use always third form of verb in this tense. So this is the present perfect tense, and in my next video we will discuss about another tense. So till then, goodbye.